next repair, we head into, I want to say it's Irvin, either Irvin or like Las Colinas or something like that. It's a Mercedes CLA, just going to be getting probably like a Type A service, pretty much. Be doing oil change, checking the filters, topping off all the fluids, and just doing a multi-point inspection on it.
I'm gonna get my tires rotated on Thursday. Yeah, I'm just gonna have somebody take it for me because I don't have time. I have to be here at 9. I don't get out till 8. That's the end tire.
All right, we're gonna move this one to another level, so I got a little space. Oh, I love garage repairs. So peaceful. All right, for this one, we're gonna be doing an oil change, tire rotation, multi-point inspection, and just an overall look over on it. You know, takes 5.9 quarts of some 0W40 sauce, Mobile One filter. I believe it's a M1C253A, and it is located back here. Let's move this up. There we go. There we go. Access to the pan should be a 14 or 15. It's actually a 13 millimeter. Oh yes. While this is draining, I'm gonna rotate them tires. This oil filter is a 27 millimeter. Right, new filter, new gasket. $5.9. All right, last side of the rotation, we're finishing up. All right, finishing up. My punk ass battery is at 3%, so I can't record the rest.